government of West Bengal was compelled to form one committee whether Olchiki can be used as a writing script for introduction of education in Santali. The government of West Bengal was compelled to form one committee. That committee was the report. This is the report of the Committee on Santali Language. This was formed in the year 2001. This was published in the Calcutta Gazette. This is our first time for any tribal language. Government of any state of India has published this type of information that Santali language is going to be introduced as a medium of instruction as well as a language subject. And for that purpose, this committee was formed. What this committee is saying? Government of West Bengal Resolution number 57 CMS dated 5th March 2001. The undersigned is directed by the order of the governor to say that the state government for some time past have been considering the feasibility of introducing teaching of Santali language in Olchiki script in secondary and higher secondary stage in the state. Now therefore, the governor is pleased to order the committee under the name Committee on Santali Language, comprising the following will review and examine all aspects of the subject. The chairman was Dr. Pavitra Sarkar, ex-Vice Chancellor, Rabindra Bharati University. Then Sri Omiyo Dev, MA PhD, he was also ex-Vice Chancellor of Vidyasagar University. Then Sri Bhakti Prasad Mullik, MA PhD, member. Sri Dhirendranath Baske, MA, member. Sri Subodh Hasda, MA, member. Sri Dilip Kumar Basu, member secretary. The terms of reference of this committee be as follows. Number one, to examine the entire issue of teaching of Santali language from the primary school level up to the college and university levels. Number two, the feasibility of introducing Santali language in Olchiki script both as a medium of instruction as well as a language subject in the secondary and higher secondary schools, and the possibility of introducing Santali language in Olchiki script in the college and university curricula. The committee will submit their recommendation within a period of 6 months. Monish Gupta, Chief Secretary. So all these historical evidence I have produced here just to give some information to our writers, those who are actually preparing the mirror of a society. तो नौना को कथा नहीं करते गए अदुनिया कथा नौने मुझे तब ना जे इसे तो अनेक अंकन में इतना जिनिस कान तब ना अनाउ को तो जहाँ तो सारिया ऐसा रकाबा संतार हुलना कथा ऐसा रकाबा संतारा अलग पढ़ावना कथा रकाबा संतारा एने सिरीना कथा ऐसा रकाबा उन्हें तो कल्पना तो बांग जहाँ वास्तव में चला करना उन्हें किसा रकाबा सावता आदि चली सावता ना कथामो चल करना तब ना सावता ना कथामो जब जायजुग जीर तहन मा आलो धसुरो मा जेल करते सावता ना कथामो बन शब्द होया मासी सच करते को तहन तब ना जगमासी नाई के घोड़े चाहे चिके तो बन बंचाव तो होया आदि चली चिके तो बन बंचाव तो होया गिद्रे छिटिए मोरे महा होना को जल करते बंचाव बन तो होया होना को आबो सराही तब ना एवं आबो धर्म जे सारी धर्म ना जापन लिए करा আর ধর্ম চেলা লাগতে কেনা why religion is so much important in human civilization and human life. Prior to formation of modern educational system, religion was the earliest form of education. So religion cannot be separated from human life. Ni kata ko ni kata ini ado mungkin ketika nito ding hawai kan tabona abu manotan onani sata susariye manotan